Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel with another exciting Excel tutorial. In today's video, we are going to compare two very important Excel functions, XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. Both formulas are used to search and retrieve data, but there are major differences between them. If you use Excel regularly, this video will help you to understand which function is better and why. I will give you a detailed explanation of XLOOKUP versus VLOOKUP with practical example. So before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing it to get the latest updates, and by the end of the video don't forget to hit the like button. So let's start the process. I have designed a table to explain both formulas. This is the employees data set. In first column I have taken IDs of the employees. Second column I have taken the names of the employees. Next I considered the location. Next column contains salary of the employees, and last column contains their status. They are active in the job or not active in the job. Look at the right side, there are two tables. In first table I have to calculate VLOOKUP formula, and in next table I have to calculate XLOOKUP formula for you. So let's start with VLOOKUP formula. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. This function searches for a value in the first column of a table and returns a corresponding value from the right. In the IDs cell, I have to make the list of all the IDs. To do this, click the cell and go to the data tab. Now click on data validation. A pop-up will appear. Now in allow cell, select the list, and in source section, select all the IDs of the employees. Press OK button. See, the list has been created here. Repeat the same process here. Select the cell and go to the data tab. Click on data validation. Select list, and in source section, select all the IDs and press OK button. See, the list has been created here. Now understand the VLOOKUP formula syntax. Look at the VLOOKUP formula. In lookup value, select the ID cell and press comma, and in table array, select all the employee data set here. Press comma, and in column index number, you have to number the cell. For example, we are writing the formula in the name cell. So in employee dataset, the name is on the second column. So write here 2, press comma, and in range lookup, for exact match, write 0. Close the bracket. So this is a syntax. Write this formula in the name cell. Select the cell and write the formula equal VLOOKUP. Open the bracket, and in lookup value, select the ID cell, press comma, and in table array, select all the table, press comma, and in column index number, select the name cell, that is 2, press comma, and for exact match, write 0. Close the bracket and press enter button. Drag the cell till the end to apply the same formula in all the columns. Match the values from the original table. Every time whenever you change the ID, the remaining data also changed. Now moving to the XLOOKUP formula syntax. In the lookup value, select the ID cell, press comma, and in lookup array, select all the column of IDs, press comma, and in return array, select the remaining table. The other options are optional. If the data is exact match, then write 0, and if not match, then write 1. So apply the formula in the name cell of XLOOKUP formula. Select the cell and write the formula equal XLOOKUP. Open the bracket, and in lookup value, select the ID cell, press comma, and in lookup array, select all the column of IDs, press comma, and in return array, select the remaining table. Now close the bracket and press enter button. So this is the values. Now match the values with the original table. Change the ID and see the results. So this is a practical example of VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP formula. There are some limitations in VLOOKUP formula. For example, the lookup value must be in the first column of the table and it can only return data from the right side. Every time you have to manually enter the column index number, and if the value is not found, it shows error here. But in XLOOKUP, there are some advantages of XLOOKUP. It can look both left and right values, and it returns exact matches by default. In XLOOKUP, you don't need to count columns, just select the returns column directly. You can show a custom message like not found instead of an error like in VLOOKUP. I have made another table that is side by side comparison of VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP formula. Features like first feature is search direction. In VLOOKUP only to the right and XLOOKUP both right and left. Next feature default match. In VLOOKUP approximate and XLOOKUP exact. In error handling, VLOOKUP gives any error and XLOOKUP give custom message. Column reference, VLOOKUP give column by number and XLOOKUP give by column range. Performance of VLOOKUP is slower on large data but faster and smarter in XLOOKUP. And VLOOKUP is applied on 2007 and above version of Excel. And XLOOKUP is only available in 365 and 2019 version of Excel. So that's it. This is a comparison of XLOOKUP formula with VLOOKUP formula. If you have any question about the entire process, then please tell me in comment section, and if this video was helpful for you, then please subscribe to my channel to get more videos on Excel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.